Hi everyone, it's Envy here, and today we're gonna open up this LPS set. This is the last package that I needed from Wave 2, and I'm so excited to be opening it with y'all. With every set, we got a card, a pamphlet, and a token. I honestly love that they use the same packing techniques as they did with the old LPS, using the strings. The first pet is the horse. No, but seriously, this is so hard to do on camera. This is my first time having this penguin. It's so cute. Next we have this little bunny here. She's so adorable. I love her pink. There was some weird scuffs on the back of her head though. Next we have this metallic bear cub, and it is so cute. It looks like a little polar bear. And lastly we have the wolf, and I was looking forward to this pet so much. I did realize there were 3 LPS logos on it, but it's so exciting to have this one in my collection. These are all the accessories the pets came with. I got this collector set on Amazon and it is amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye!